Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can increase the cursor size on Macbook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the settings. So if you want to open the settings from here, you can also do that. Or if you want to open the settings from the menu bar, then you have to click on the Apple logo, and then simply you need to click on this option which is called system and preferences. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, the settings will be open like this. Now simply what we need to do, we have to go to the accessibility. Let's click on this, and after clicking on this accessibility, you can open the accessibility from here as well, but I have added this one here. If I want to open from here, I can also do that. So simply we need to go to the display, and after going to the display, as you can see, some options are provided here. If you want to use them, you can also do that. Now simply we need to go to the cursor section, and after going to the cursor section, as you can see, has an we have to drag this. If you want to increase the size, you have to simply drag this, and you will be able to see the preview. As you can see, and this way you can increase the cursor size. So as you can see, now the cursor is bigger. I'm going to make it by default normal like this, or if you want to increase this, I want to keep it here, and now it's done. So in this way you can increase the cursor size. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can increase the cursor size in Macbook. So see you guys in the next video.